Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're going to do a backup camera into this 2007 FJ Cruiser. In this install, we're going to show you how to wire up this backup camera to an existing aftermarket radio. Now, we're not going to actually pull this radio out on this video specifically, but go ahead and check the description. We'll have the radio install video available to assist you there. So let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing we need to do is get this all popped out. Once the radio is out, we're going to start running our video wire and our trigger wire and connect it to the back of the radio. Now, if you want to see how we got this radio out, we'll actually throw a link down in the description as well as a card up here in the video. That video shows you how we've installed this aftermarket radio in the factory location. That's a helpful video. It walks you through step by step, so check it out. Here, we're going to go ahead and start running our video cable from the stereo cavity here to the rear hatch. Now this video cable will carry the video signal from that camera all the way up. So we're going to plug this RCA into the camera input on the back of the radio. And then this purple white wire is your reverse trigger wire. And fortunately, this kit allows you to hook that trigger wire right in there. And on the other end, this will supply the signal. So when the truck is going in reverse, it'll automatically cycle over a radio to go to the reverse view. So make sure you hook that up to your reverse wire. We're going to go ahead and get this plugged in and the radio back in the dash. All right, so we have our backup camera wire that just comes straight down here. We just fed it through the dash. Now we need to start running this to the back of the car. So what we're going to do is go up and over, down and along the kick panels towards the back. Now to get these kick panels off, they're pretty straightforward. If you can just get your fingers up underneath them. They should just pop on free. Kick panel here in the corner. You can just pull it just over enough so you can run your cabling and then reassemble everything. Like I said, we're working our cable on the kick panel all the way to the rear to the hatch. Okay, so we run our cable up to this point, just tucking it along the kick panels, just down up here, working our way to the back. Now we need to get through this grommet here, so we're going to run our cable into the hatch area. Alright, so we went ahead and popped this grommet out from both sides. What we're going to do is fish this through that grommet so it can be on the inside of this door panel. Alright, so since we got that all fed through, we put the grommets back in, so that's good to go. And we have her lined up to this point here. Now, with this plastic off, I've actually pulled this grommet out and started running the cable through. And basically, that goes straight through to up underneath here. And I've gotten our camera mounted. What I did is I unscrewed, just like there's two Phillips there. Done the same over here. Popped the old light out and cut the harness and sealed it off, and put in the new light and screwed it in and ran that cable through into here, and this will connect into that harness. Now this is your license plate light, so we'll tap into power and ground here for this license plate, just so we can keep that functionality working. Now over here This is the power and ground. Remember, this runs down through the grommet back through the other side. We pulled our reverse light out, which is that top, very top one there. And this is where we tapped into positive and negative. So positive is red with the yellow stripe, negative is white with a black stripe. And we're going to solder onto that, tape it back up, and put the light back in the socket. And so we're going to go ahead and get this connected, connect our wires here, zip tie everything up, and then finish up this install. Okay, everything's zip tied here. We got our harness connected. We tapped into power and ground. Power for our license plate light is that green wire, and ground is our white black wire. Ran that through, it was a little short, and I actually increased the gauge so it has a little bit better connection. At this time, we're done. We've tested it, we know it works. We're gonna go ahead and reassemble the back. All right, we're all done, all reassembled here. Let's go ahead and head up to the front, give it a test. All right, radio's all back in, everything's buttoned up down below. Let's go ahead and do a test. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in reverse. Perfect. There we are. Take it out of reverse. Takes us right back. All right, if you have any questions about what we did here, go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel. Appreciate the support. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.